What actually counts as cheating? Is it only physical? What about late night texts, secret conversations, flirty DMs? If you've ever wondered where the line is, you're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down what is considered cheating, including the gray areas no one talks about so you can protect your relationship and rebuild trust before it breaks. 1. The classic definition of cheating. Most people think of cheating as physical intimacy with someone outside of your relationship. And yes, things like kissing, sex, or physical affection with someone else are clear violations. But cheating goes far beyond the physical. The heart of cheating is this: breaking the agreement of exclusivity and emotional loyalty, whether spoken or unspoken. 2. The gray areas of modern infidelity. We live in a digital world, and that means cheating has taken on new forms. Here are common behaviors many people don't think of as cheating, but often are. 1. Secret text conversations or flirty DMs. 2. Deleting messages to hide them from your partner. 3. Late night friendships with emotional intimacy. 4. Watching or sending explicit content to someone else. 5. Creating fake accounts for emotional or sexual validation. 6. Continuously comparing your partner to someone online. 7. Saying it's just fantasy when it's clearly replacing real intimacy. These aren't harmless. They slowly erode trust, transparency, and emotional connection. 3. Emotional infidelity, the hidden betrayal. You don't have to sleep with someone to betray your partner. Emotional cheating happens when you turn to someone else for deep emotional support. Share vulnerabilities with them that you don't share with your partner. Develop a romantic connection even without touching. If it would hurt your partner to see the messages, if you're hiding it, if you've ever said they're just a friend while deleting your chat history, that's a sign you've already crossed a line. 4. Cheating isn't just about behavior, it's about secrecy. One of the most powerful signs of cheating: secrecy. Ask yourself, would I be okay with my partner doing this? Am I keeping this hidden? Would I change anything if they were watching? If your actions require hiding, lying, or downplaying, that's betrayal, even if it's emotional or virtual. 5. Every relationship is different, but honesty isn't optional. Some couples have open relationships, some are monogamous, some are still defining their boundaries. And that's okay. But the key is honesty and mutual agreement. What counts as cheating in your relationship must be clear, discussed, and respected by both partners. If you're not sure, ask, talk, revisit boundaries, because assuming your partner is fine with something just because it's not technically cheating can lead to heartbreak that could have been avoided. Cheating isn't always about the body, it's about the breach of trust. Whether it's physical, emotional, or virtual, betrayal leaves lasting wounds. But awareness is the first step. Knowing where the line is helps you protect your relationship and your integrity. If this video helped you, subscribe to After Infidelity, What Now? For weekly insights into betrayal trauma, rebuilding trust, emotional healing, and relationship recovery. Comment below. What's your take? What behaviors count as cheating in your eyes? Check out our full playlist on infidelity questions answered to explore more.